Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing an iPhone because Apple Watch requires iPhone pairing. You cannot pair directly to Android. Once you have the iPhone, sign in with your Apple ID and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Place the watch near the iPhone, tap Start Pairing, and follow the on-screen camera alignment to link the devices. Make sure to create or restore an Apple Watch backup during setup, so the watch has apps and settings you'll rely on later when using it without that iPhone. Once paired, focus on enabling the watch to work without the iPhone present. If you have a cellular model, add a carrier plan through the watch app so calls and data work independently. This is why LTE models are crucial for Android users. Install and configure the watch OS apps you need, grant health and location permissions, and enable automatic updates. Make sure Apple ID remains active on the watch. This preserves features like Find My and iCloud Health Sync, even if you later stop using the iPhone. To finish, test the watch away from the iPhone. Turn off the iPhone's Bluetooth and walk a short distance to confirm calls, messages, and apps still function via cellular or Wi-Fi. If you must return the iPhone, keep it paired for backups. Unpairing removes activation lock and may require the Apple ID. If something fails, reboot the watch and the iPhone, check carrier activation, and reauthorize the Apple ID on the watch. This single troubleshooting tip solves most connectivity and authorization issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.